Hello coffee lovers! Meet the Magnifica Start fully automatic espresso machine in sleek black, designed to elevate your coffee experience. This versatile machine offers 5 one-touch recipes, including Latte Macchiato, Cappuccino, Espresso, coffee, and even hot water, catering to all your beverage needs. With a built-in Conical Burr Grinder featuring 13 settings, it ensures your coffee is ground to perfection every time. The innovative LatteCrema System expertly textures milk or milk alternatives, creating creamy lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease. Plus, the machine's removable and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, allowing you to enjoy your coffee without the hassle. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting your espresso journey, the Magnifica Start is your perfect kitchen companion. So, why not indulge in barista-quality coffee right at home? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.